A not operator is used alongside of another operator. It just negates the condition following that operator, meaning that the result will have everything other than what that condition, which is mostly the condition 2, would have fetched. For example, a not operator here will reverse the output of the second condition. Call 1 equals to A or not call 3 equals to 700. If we say it in spoken language, we can say, I want the rows where call 1 equals to A, or I don't want any rows where call 3 is 700. When you say that, it implicitly means that I want rows whose values are other than 700. So, for the not condition 2, the call 3 rows with any value other than 700 will test true. The rows with value 700 will test false. So, the output will be something like this. If you notice, understanding the implicit meaning is kind of confusing. So this not operator is not used generally in this context. Instead, it is common to just use the regular Boolean operator, which is OR here, and to reverse the comparator in the condition 2. For example, use the not equal to comparator instead of equal to comparator. This way, it would be easy to understand. Thank you for watching this video.